In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Trello to Google Sheets integration 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to both Trello and your Google account, and that you know which Trello board you want to sync. This integration is great for reporting, backups, or sharing project data with people who don't use Trello. First, log in to Trello. Once you're in, head to the specific board you want to connect to Google Sheets. If you're testing this out, consider using a sample board so you can experiment safely without affecting live data. On your board, look to the upper right and click the three dots to open the board's menu. This is where Trello keeps board-level settings and tools. From the Menu tab, select Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's add-ons, and this is where you'll find the Google Sheets option. In the Power-Ups directory, use the search bar to type Google Sheets. When you see the Google Sheets Power-Up, click Add. Depending on your plan, some features may have limits, so check any notices that appear. After it's added, you'll see prompts to set up the connection. Follow the prompts to connect your Google account. You'll be asked to grant permission so Trello can create or update a spreadsheet on your behalf. Choose the Google account you want to use and confirm the access. Next, pick a destination, either select an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. Give it a clear name you'll recognize later. Now map the fields you want to sync. Common choices include card title, description, due date, labels, list name, and members. If you use custom fields in Trello, make sure the custom fields power-up is enabled so those values can be included in the sync. For checklists or comments, note that not all integrations export them by default. If they do, you'll typically see options to include them during setup. You may also be asked about sync behavior. Choose whether data flows one way from Trello to Sheets and whether the sync runs on a schedule or when changes occur. If you're tracking status, consider mapping the list name or a status field so you can filter and pivot in Sheets later. Finish the setup and run the first sync. Open the sheet to confirm that columns appear as expected and that new rows were created for your cards. If something looks off, revisit the mapping and run the sync again. That's it. Your Trello board is now feeding data into Google Sheets for easy reporting and analysis.